Top qualities that bring you success. In today's world, everyone is geared for success. However, sometimes we tend to lose track of what makes for real success, without which our material success seems to lose its grip on the inroads made by it. Let's find out what are some of the qualities that make success taste sweeter. Be happy with others' success. It's the most unlikely quality in the modern day world of cutthroat competition. But there it is. Unless you are happy with the success of others, you may not consider yourself all that successful. Help others become successful. Being successful in a true sense is also about helping others become successful. Even if it's not laid out in your contract, and you don't get any real dividends from going that extra mile for another person, this is what real success is all about. Seek out experiences. Rather than do the same old thing over and over again, if you seek out novelty and learn new skills with a vengeance, your personality is sure to grow. Trying something new, whether or not the old is a hit or miss, makes you very successful. Doing something new has everything to do with imagination, and imagination is the key to making things better, isn't it? Forget work versus life. You are successful if you haven't fallen into the work-life balance rat race. For you, it all has to do with life, period. You put just as much passion into your work as you do in your family. It all adds up to life, all caps as in the magazine title. Practice empathy all the time. Though successful business people are often labeled as hard-nosed individuals who cannot afford to spend time worrying about you, it's impossible to really make any headway unless you are tuned into what everyone wants, and to do it with empathy, not grudgingly. Putting yourself in another's shoes. The way to practice empathy is to put oneself in another's shoes, to truly understand what the person wants, to know what's their background, their concerns, their issues. As you walk in their shoes, you will also find life coming back to you in one full circle. Prove something to yourself. It's become fashionable to prove others wrong. But for true success, you gotta do it right. You have to prove something to the person who really matters, which is you. Enjoying the journey. When you do that, the journey that seemed so long and arduous at first now seems incredibly smooth, and you find yourself at your destination in no time at all, besides enjoying every bit of the journey. Being on to something big. Being on to something big means being harsh on yourself, being really hungry for whatever it takes, being competitive in a positive way. Being humble. Acknowledging hard work and great luck means not puffing up about what makes one extra special. Plus, humility means asking questions and seeking advice despite experience or success. If you enjoyed watching our video, do like and share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.